Personal Finance Manager is a fantastic tool for taking control of your finances and working toward financial goals. You can create a budget, set savings goals, track your expenses in different categories, and use the information to make sure you are getting the most from every dollar you earn. The overview provides an at-a-glance look at your financial situation. By default, the current month is displayed. Top Expenses helps you quickly see where the largest amounts of your money are going. The 3-month average helps you spot trends in your spending patterns. Top Balances displays the largest balances in your accounts. At the top, you'll find the activity for each account you've chosen to include in your spending reports. To add or remove the accounts in this list, click Edit List. Clicking on the account name opens its details. Budget is the key section for taking control of your finances. The bar charts quickly shows you the current balance between your budgeted income and expenses. Savings goals help you track your progress in accumulating money for important projects. The income statement is where you'll find a more detailed breakdown of your income and expenses by category. You can view this as a table or a chart that visually represents the numbers in the table. Finally, cash flow helps you track income against expenses and transfers. Taken together, these tools show you what is happening and where you can make a big difference by changing your spending habits. Building a budget is one of the most important things you can do to manage your money. And with your Personal Finance Manager doing much of the work for you, it couldn't be easier. Under Budget, click View All Categories to display our comprehensive list of typical types of income and expense. Under Income, you might collect 2 paychecks each month. Add up the amount of those paychecks and enter the total in the Budget box next to Payroll. Perhaps you are also reimbursed for travel expenses on your job. Average the amount you are paid back each month and enter that total in the reimbursement budget. Do this for any source of income you have. Now, move on to expenses. Follow the same procedure for identifying and assigning a typical amount to the things you spend money on each month. Once you have completed all your categories of income and spending, update. The Budget tile now shows a chart with your income and expense budgets. And by clicking Manage, you can see the category list will now show only those categories you have entered amounts for. Whether it's a new car, the down payment for a new home, or a dream vacation, we all have goals that require us to save money. Savings goals makes it easy to create the target amount and to track your progress toward meeting that savings goal. First, describe the goal. For example, new car. Next, select the account where you'll accumulate the funds. If there is money already in that account, the balance will automatically show up in your starting savings amount. If this is a new goal that you are starting toward from scratch, you can change the starting amount to 0. Next, enter the amount you want to accumulate to meet the goal. Choose a starting date and the target date for reaching the goal. Then add and save. Your new savings goal will appear in the Savings Goals tile on the Overview page. Some people have income or expenses that just don't fit under our standard categories. So we've created a way to add a custom category to better describe your expense or income. Under Categories, just select the type, give the custom category a name, and provide a description. Then, Add. The new category will now appear in the My Categories list. You can delete any of your custom categories at any time, and a default or other category will be used for future reports. Finally, to view your custom category from the View All list on your Budget screen, click Done.